show you how to restore missing or delete service in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, it's very easy. So first you need to search cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrators. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this processor will be 100%. If this processor will be 100%, so type second command. I will give in description box, so just copy and paste it. This command. You need to just copy and paste it. After this whole process will be completed, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.